because I think cars are warmer, right? So animals tend to like those. Yes, so that was a good ending. Yeah, wild ride. And I know it can get windy up there at the Vista House. Is any wind out there today, Steve?
Funny you should mention that, Jenny, because we're going to have a warm east wind. We're still in the warm season, so any east wind we get out of the Columbia River Gorge is going to be warm, not going to be cold. That'll switch in about September, October. But look at this shot right now. This is a beautiful shot from our Chinook Winds Casino Resort camera down there in Lincoln City. A beautiful afternoon there. Temperatures into the 70s already at the coast. Hotel Indigo, Kirkland Tower camera down there on the beautiful Vancouver waterfront, looking there at the AC Hotel, 80 degrees, lots of sunshine, great shot of Mount Hood. Swan Island Dahlia's camera, current conditions over Portland, 83 degrees, the humidity is 23%. That's a very dry heat. This is not going to be a humid type of heat wave that we're coming into. Matter of fact, this will be the driest air mass I think I've seen all summer long, considering the heat. So it's going to be tolerable, especially at night. That allow those nighttime temperatures to cool down as well. Satellite and radar, again, this is not broken. That's because there is not a cloud in sight. You got to go out there about 1,500 miles into the Gulf of Alaska to see any kind of cloud cover, and that's going to stay right where it's at because there's a big ridge of high pressure that's building in over the Pacific Northwest. 83 now at Portland and Troutdale, McMinnville, 81 Salem. Look at that, 84 at Tillamook. A little bit of that east wind making it up over the Coast Range Mountains down to the beach. I think from about Lincoln City north today, you'll be into the low 80s or right around 80. Day planner for today, Subaru Portland camera. We're in the 80s now, headed for the 90s, low 90s that is, day one of what will be a multiple day heat wave in the end of August to close out August, and it's going to be a slower cool down, of course, this evening. Now, wind gust forecast. Here's about 3 p.m. this afternoon, south of the Columbia River, especially on the east side. Unit areas, Division, Powell, out through Gresham. The east wind will be blowing 15 to 25 miles per hour, and it backs off tonight, but that will help to warm the atmosphere as that hot air sinks down into the lower valleys. So weather headlines, 90-degree heat wave begins today. That's day one. We'll cool it down, but we're going to have to wait until we get to Monday for that. And heat returns again later next week. Hey, Labor Day weekend, don't forget that. If you're heading down to the coast, we're going to be, let's start with the valley. The 98 is going to be on Saturday. The 80 is going to be on Monday, so we're going to slowly cool it down after Saturday. And boy, if you like to escape the heat, the Oregon coast is going to be absolutely beautiful. Just a few morning clouds once we get to Sunday as well. Don't forget Oregon State Fair as well. This is for today. Be careful out there. Bring lots of water. Drink lots of water. Stay hydrated. Very hot. Take some breaks out there this afternoon because we will be in the 90s. And don't forget Saturday, down at Autzen Stadium, Idaho Vandals and the Ducks, they square off. 96, going to be in the mid-90s. We'll call it toasty temperatures there. Why is all this happening? Well, that's because this big ridge of high pressure is taking over the entire West Coast. Here's Saturday. That's the peak of the heat. And then we slowly push it off to the east as we go into Monday and Tuesday. But models want to build an even bigger ridge of high pressure once we get into Wednesday and Thursday of next week. This is the kind of setup that has the potential to send us well into the 90s. And we have had temperatures in the lower 100s before in the month of September. The all-time record high for September is 105. I don't see that coming right now, but we will keep a close eye on it because average is just 81. So a lot of days above average and then slightly below average the last week or so. We're going to send things way up the last 3 or 4 days here of August. And I think we're going to finish August. I know we're going to finish August about average for rainfall and above average for temperatures. Next 7 to 10 days, no rain in sight whatsoever. Labor Day, just a few more clouds there. One model does have a chance for a few scattered thunderstorms or showers Monday afternoon. We'll see how that plays out. We're keeping them out of the forecast now. And we continue to be dry all the way through next week. All right, quick look at the forecast today. Sunny skies, warm conditions, east winds making it all the way out to the coast. Tillamook, you could end up in the upper 80s today. Notice those 80s even up on the northern Oregon coast, 70s on the central Oregon coast. Forecast for the valley, temperatures in the low 90s, going to go right around 92, Portland, Vancouver, McMinnville at 91. All right, 7-day forecast. We'll call it heating up today. We'll go 92. And then tomorrow and Saturday, Jenny, we've got the weather alert in place in the KOIN6 Weather Center. Just be very careful. Saturday, 98, that's going to be a hot one. Notice those overnight lows, though, with that dry air mass. They cool off pretty good. And then just scattered clouds on Monday. And we'll rinse and repeat it again next week.
Okay, getting hot out there. We'll be right back. Stick around.